POV side of this video. Driving to the car beat right now. It's not like our meet, but we're just a Fruit Your Car Club on the flyer and stuff like that, because we're in Bloomington and obviously we bring a decent amount of people, so there's a lot of old school Mustangs up there. God damn. I might put my 360 cam on the back, get some footage outside the car. I'm trying to waste all this gas so I can put my pump on. That's why I'm like down there on E. Trying to get that all the way down. Right now, we had a Cars and Coffee down here. Scared Speed.
I just gotta go get this clip. I fixed the belt.
You fix it?
Yeah, but I dropped this fucking piece of the clip from all those.
You dropped it in like an engine somewhere?
Yeah, but I'm gonna come in the bottles in it.
Damn. You dropped the bolt. You don't got like a little metal thing to like try to get the bolt out. Like a metal like little stick that get bolts out and shit.
Yeah, I'm using it right now, but it's a tiny bolt. Like it's hard to find.
This car is going so slow. Yeah, I'm going to the car meet right now. Today, so.
Are you coming in?
Well, I'm not. I'm going like by Kokomo.
Yeah, then that's above me, but I'm on the way.
Bro, I'm gonna be driving my car, and my girl gonna be. She gonna be driving my Toyota, so I can get a way back. Then I got a football game. I got a football later at 6, and they gotta even know. So I'm trying to see if I'm even going to that. I ain't gonna lie. How do I get to the speedway? I don't even know where the speedway's at. But let me hit you back up in a second. I'm doing this POV video right now. Bet. Cut that shit out. Yeah, my boy, he put in his ESS kit on his Mustang. That thing gonna be so nice. Put my seatbelt on. I'm tripping. I've been driving without a seatbelt this whole time. Oh shit. Where's the speedway? Oh, I can't keep going straight. Yeah. Great day outside. Bird is chirping. Jesus is Lord. Yeah. So freaking right. bro. Really the first cars to coffee in Bloomington. Sorry I'm not talking that much, just the morning. I'm just driving, enjoying the air. Appreciate it, God, you know what I'm saying? this put this 360 cam on my car. Do this real quick, chat. Turn my car off. I don't got no freaking gas already. Oh, yeah, I got a lot of stuff in here, chat. Right now, don't even mind none of this, man. Get some little footage, extra little footage. Get some extra little footage real quick. Car going to the shop. I gotta get some footage off today. There you go. Just like that. We back. Still recording? This way or the main way? Yeah. Not yet. Maybe it's the, I can't remember, but that's due like next month or something though. That's probably the, when I finish that list or that speeding ticket stuff. It goes to probably. All right, love you, bye. At the PO, the Cars and Coffee. Look decent. Hey. Yep.
I'm Pat.
Hey Pat, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. If you want to park over there next to that RS, there's a spot between the RS and the STI, or wherever you want, man.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, yeah. Here, brother. Put that up there. Now I'm gonna get some footage of some cars.